The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night and hope everyone's ready for a great day. Good morning, G-Man, Mr. G, and Mandelbrot. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Ready for another great day here. What's Putin saying? As we see ES popping up a little bit. So, let's look at the markets overnight. Well, let's see if I have anything on Putin. Hold on. Actually, let me start some Christmas music here in my earphones because I want Christmas music. I can't seem to get it. Okay. Oh, there we go. That's why. Okay, got it. Anyway. Russian defense minister says we're ready for talk. So on and so forth. Talk about nuclear crap again. Okay. So anyway, markets overnight. We popped up and then we're popping down. Then we're popping fresh from dough. 263 on the high on NQ, low of 187. Not much of a range, less than 80 points of range. Good morning, Deb. Nice seeing you. Copper, very tight range there as well. Only about 60 ticks. Gold, gold. Only about 8 points in range. Ultra bond also tight, but over a point. Crude over 2 points in range. It's been moving up. And last but not least, we see about a 220 tick range of natural gas. Yep. Thank you, Mr. G. Yep. We do have consumer confidence and existing home sales at 10. Mr. G, what is current account? Okay. Thank you for that, Mr. G. So, now we're watching ES. Oh, wait. And we're watching crude. I forgot about crude. Poor crude. I forgot about it. Right now, well, let's look back at ES. ES has been in enough trend, kind of consolidating here. You can see the higher moving averages kind of converge here. Now we're down. Right now, I'm only going to look for shorts. Cool. Thank you, G. And oil, big uptrend. See, ding, 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 ding. All these would have been good entries in oil on the way up. So let's see what we can get this morning. Wednesday before Christmas. Oh yeah, this is the first day of winter. So happy first day of winter, everybody. Uh, FedEx is the absolute worst of the shipping companies or home delivery companies. I can't stand them. They just throw your packages on the porch and run. Serious, if it's a heavy package, you only know they arrived because you hear the package hit the porch as they slam it down. Well, it seems to be a culture because it's not like just one delivery person. Well, what's funny is, times here, now that hasn't been lately, but back a few years ago, they were delivering out of U-Hauls, not even FedEx trucks. Sometimes they weren't even in uniform. Going on here. Okay, Mr. G, that might be a little bit too much information there. uh, well, 'tis the season to be jolly. See oil pulling back there a little bit. We're up a couple ticks on this trade. I figured that, G. I figured that. Pushing up here. We're in this trade. We're up by 3 ticks, 4 ticks. Try to see if we can get some more out of it. Does not look like it wants to go further. Watching. Pulling back on me. There we go. Back up. Hanging in. Little whippy. Taking it off the table there. So we got the 7 ticks out of that for a win after commissions of only $22.29, but it's because I'm using micros. That is a win to start the morning. I entered there because of the break of the 200 EMA upwards. So right now, since they're above all EMAs, I'm only looking for longs. So 1 for 1 on the morning. Oh, I forgot to bring up the stream on my phone, so let me do that. There we go. Reminder to hit that like button, folks, if you think you're going to enjoy today's stream. I appreciate that. Hanging here, 38.70. I'm glad I got out there where I did. It popped up a couple more ticks, so right now it's just kind of hanging here. It would have made me crazy. How's everyone else doing today? Everyone ready for Christmas? Yeah, I remember when they were doing that and they were caught at it. Glad to see they're having to pay up. Finally got my Christmas tree decorated last night. Yeah. Big whoops there for Wells Fargo. Yeah, it was. Pulling down a little bit here. Pulling back. Crude trying to pop back up. A little uh pop back up there. So if I'd stayed in, I would have got more, but you know, it would have drove me nuts for the last 5 minutes. Yep. So I could have got more out of that. That's what I still need to get better at. I mean, I'm happy with the win, but pulling back here a little bit after that nice quick move up. Still not a lot of volume. I'm not sure if was this the Putin candle or what was going on there. It's like, yeah, it must have been because both the things there. Hanging here, 38.72.5. And Q, the nice bounce there. Bitcoin, 16.8. Still stuck there. Mining's so hard to be profitable right now. You realize with the power rates going up and Bitcoin being stuck where it's at. It's going to be interesting to see where crypto's at in a year from now. It looks like FTX more or less artificially got it to that $69,000 high. So, I don't know. So we're watching here. Back pulls back to 38.71. I need to kill that apex. They actually didn't extend the sale, so I need to kill that Nightbot. I'm shocked. Pulling back a little bit here. So I haven't seen JC yet this morning. No Dakota yet. Still no Chris Moore. I really hope something bad didn't happen to Chris Moore. Oh, there's Dakota. I swear they wait until I say so far no, and then they show up. Morning, Dakota. Chris Moore worries me. He's the one that disappeared back in August or whenever it was, and it turned out he broke his back. And now he has not been seen all last week or this week. Here's a continue move up here. Yeah, charted it out and liked how it looked. It's more, okay, first of all, why not bonds? Because bonds don't have a micro. This is a micro crude, so it's only $1 a tick. If I run, I'm only running 2 contracts, so I can use a wider stop. Gold, I don't know. Gold always bites me. Dollar, I can't day trade the dollar on these prop firms. I like the fact that if if I run 2 micro crudes, 20 ticks, it's a a $40 trade. If I can get 2 or 3 of those a day, it starts building up. It'll continue to grind up here. So you can see I got out at 38.70. I could have got another 3 points. It sucks, but I got to get better at staying in trades longer. Wow, that nice little burst there on crude. Taking a short on crude there. I'm expecting it to come back down. Let's see if I'm wrong. Trying to move my stop to the top of that candle though. So I'm in at 77.97. My stop's only about 8 ticks. Now, I choose a short because it broke the Bollingers on both the regular chart and the RSI down here. Fortunately, I chose the short late and it's going to stop me out. Okay. So I thought we were going to reverse there. We didn't. It's okay. That was a reversal play that I should stop playing. I should not good at reversal plays. I saw mommy kissing. So we're still up $2 on the day. Mistletoe last night. Nearing the top of the hour, as Mr. G just said. Excuse me. I'm back. So I really wish I had stayed in this trade, but hey. There's the pullback. That was a little early. Scratching my cat's back. Ow. Hey, don't bite me. Nah. So, let's look at this crude trade that I just got stopped out on. If I had, well, so I put my stop right at the top of this candle, or this wick, and then it got right back up to there again, stopped me out. If I got one tick above, then I'll still be in this trade and be profitable. I was right on my thought. It just decided to burst up a little bit and then come back down. I entered in at 97 and it's now down to 87, so I could have got a 10 tick winner here. But alas. Meanwhile, ES continues to grind up. Yeah, and I took it short. I got stopped out. I took it short here and it decided to make one more pop back up, nailed me at the high of that candle and then came down. Right, exactly. I should have gave it one more tick above the recent high, I guess, above that high right there. But so watching it bounce there off the EMA. Top of the hour. Crude pulling down. Continuing to fall. And I've pulled down there on ES by a point and a quarter. Oh, crude burst back up. Wow, look at that, burst up. Wow. It's a nice bounce there. Green candle bounce. Why do I say wish I had? Because I wish I had. I mean, it's this just the way I think. It's who I am. ES heading up to 38.75 now. What's our high day? Oh, we're at high, almost at high day. High overnight was 38.76. So about ready to blow through that. Are we gonna try? I'm sorry, 38.77 was the high. Couple ticks away. Pulling back now a little bit. So we're watching, pulling back. See if we get ready to pull out. Look really extended. Hanging here. Struggling to get through that high. Remember 38.77 was the overnight high. Just trying to get through there. Crude again had a huge wick to the top side, pulling down. There's crude pushing down. Yeah, that's a good question. I did think, in fact, I think I mentioned that in my tweet. So far, no Santa Claus rally. Crude pulled back there, trying to push back up. ES still hanging here right below the highs at 38.76. Still watching my weather. Still calling for a winter storm. Although the the amount of snow has been downgraded to 2 to 4. Probably get blasted with a foot. That's a new high day right there on ES. FERT. Hello. It's pushing up to 37.50. And pulling back down. Crude's gotten choppy. Oh, Kevin? What y'all seeing on crude that I'm not seeing? There's a pull down. I really want to take this short, but I'm not taking it short. Every time I think it's going to go short, yeah, our reversal play against the trend, I get bit, so. It'll pop up. You have safe. And we're watching. Sorry, being quiet, being too quiet. Pushing up a little bit again. See if anything else is doing anything fun here. Copper, nice little rise up there. Bonds are rising up. Bonds, 10 minutes until they're open, and you can see they've been pushing up here and actually showing more volume than normal this time of morning. Right here, it's been a great entry. 12, 13 ticks up. Even more. Full half a point. And you see crude pulling down. So that big wicked candle there was it. That it made that burst up to 78.17 is now down 40 ticks since. High day now, 38.78.75. Hey, Joshua. Missed you there. Welcome. Good morning. G-Man. I guess maybe G-Man kind of disappeared. Hope he's getting some breakfast. He gets up really early for this stream. Or maybe he's taking a nap. So, it's a nice strong move up here. How high will we go? We see NQ here. ES is at its high day. NQ is not. This is the hourly chart on NQ. It's nowhere close. So that's interesting. Well, I mean, it's about 20 points away, but there's 38.80. Crude's bouncing. Remember today at 8:30, so a little over 15 minutes from now, we have Canadian CPI and U.S. current account. Will this push back up, or continued up, I should say? If we quick look at an hourly chart. Look at yesterday. We're well above. Well, no, we're not. Yesterday's high, 38.99. No, that's Monday's high. I apologize. Monday's high, 38.99. We're already above anything from yesterday. We're still now the 19 points away from Monday's high. You can see we've been coming down since last Wednesday. FOMC day? Yeah. So it's a nice little rebound. Good morning, Judah. Crude popping up, back up to 77.91. Thirteenth Street Warrior. Hello. Chestnuts, roasting, fire, and 38. So high was 38.8125. It's kind of just balancing there on 38.80. Hey Gardner, nice to see you. Thanks for stopping in. Morning, Avi. Right now we're kind of just hanging, not much going on. Remember, as the week goes on, each day we expect lower volume this week. Haven't really checked what the volume's done for days. Let's look. Daily volume. It's hard to tell because it's a new contract. We need to go to the continuous contract, which we can do. There we go. Continuous. That's a 1 minute chart. And volume hasn't been too horrible. I mean, you can see it's down, but yesterday was actually more than Monday. That's interesting. It's in comparison, it's definitely down, but let's see how the rest of the week goes. Excellent, Mel Gossip. Yep, I'll be here next week. Alter bonds, treasuries markets opens in 2 minutes. See if it gives back this nice little rally here. Hello-ish. Another new high here. Has a little pullback and then boom. Hanging. Ultra bond opens with another move up. 4 ticks. Popping up. Very extended here on ES. Pull back there on crude, pull back there on ES. So hang in here, coming back down. So we hit a high there of 38.82, down to 38.79. Do we finally find a top? See things, everything besides the ultra bronze seem to be coming down. Everyone's kind of quiet. We have news coming up in a few minutes. Crude oil pulling down. Failed to get back up to these highs, pushing down. Right back up. Definitely not wanting to come back down here. Tries to get pushed down and rallies back up. Pushing down. Y'all are quiet this morning. What happened? Tip up. Pulling back. Sorry to hear that, man. Do you know what you did wrong? Good morning, JC. How are you doing? Good to see you. Well, then hip hop. My suggestion would be is to work on finding a strategy and sim trading instead of paying for evals until you find yourself something that you like. This is just a suggestion. I'm doing all right, JC. Good morning, ATLDSGB. It's a name I don't think I recognize, so if you're new to the stream, welcome. Nice to have you here. If you're not new to the stream and I forgot you, I apologize. I'm old and forget things. So there's a pop back up. About halfway back up that bigger candle down. There's back above the 20 EMA. It's kind of touching it. Cool. Well, glad to have you. Thank you for subscribing. Watching the ES here for a possible down entry. I just missed an entry there on crude. I watched because I was too focused on ES. Right here in my entry. See if it goes 15 ticks. It's just kind of hanging here on the EMA on ES. Yep, definitely missed that move on crude there. Would have went my 15 ticks and more. Thank everyone for joining me this morning. We have news in just now. Let's see if news does anything. This Canadian CPI and current something. So far, it's not doing anything. Limited edition U profit? Not sure I've seen that. What's up with what is that? There's a move to the downside. Taking a short here. For how much? Yikes. Big amount. I mean, no trail. I mean, a static drawdown. That's awesome. Yeah, it definitely does. Tick Trader? No, it's not. No, they're running a sale right now. I don't really like Tick Tick anymore, so I don't really talk about them. But no, they're still around, unless I've missed something in the last 24 hours. Uh, they're rude. Uh, they um, I did have a funded account with them. They say after 5 days, if you don't trade, your it goes away. But I had 4 days that I didn't trade. Went to trade the fifth day, and my account was gone. So, I mean, it was the account was close to being blown anyway, so it was no biggie to me. But the fact that they nailed it after only 4 trading days, when they say five, is trash to me. Same damn thing.
Bah! Humbug!
Back up we come. Uh, Earn the trade's actually the same way, Hassan. Now I'm not sure if if they um, if earn the trade is as rigid, but suppose if you're not going to trade for 5 days, you need to notify them. Are we talking? Are we talking evals? Or are we talking funded accounts, gossip? Oh, Dakota's long at 08, looking good. Oh, lots. Damn it. And coming back down here on ES. So that news really, that 7:30 or 8:30 news, sorry, didn't really do much. Let's look at the numbers. Uh, the U.S. current account negative 217.1 billion. They expected negative 222 billion. That was a beat. Canadian CPI 6.8. They expected 6.7. So that was a miss. Now, next news is at 10 o'clock. We use U.S. existing home sales and U.S. consumer confidence. 5-minute chart. Big move up, pull back, bounce. Wicks both sides of that last 5-minute candle. That said, I'm an idiot. You know, tried to take this short. That obviously didn't work, but if I had taken the long based on my strategy, this would have been a 2-pointer. Ouch. I do think we're coming down, but I should take the trade that's offered to me and not what I'm just trying to figure out. Just hanging here in the EMA. Bounce it up and down. It's now we're less than an hour to the bell. See where we go and what we get. Still think we're coming down, but I don't have the confidence to play the down move at this point. Pushing down. Waiting, watching. See crude's also kind of sideways. Ooh, look at that wick on that copper candle. And down. Ultra bond. You still in that ultra bond trade, or did you hit? I may have missed it, Dakota. Cool. Just sitting there, not doing anything. Sitting on the EMA. Watching price slip away. Crude oil popping back up above its EMA. Alright, Dakota, nice move up there on crude. So I've missed the last two moves on crude. Oh, that nice move. ES just doing absolutely nothing here. Which way will it go? Oh, there's a move up on the Ultra Bond. Yep, I think actually, yeah, I was gonna say Dakota just hit his target. Pull back there on crude. ES trying to push back up here. Wow, big pullback after that wick. And you see they up and then gave it all back and then moved down. So technically, did not hit 20 ticks, but I would have went. Actually, I would have went for 15 here because we have an ATR of less than 10, so it would have been a winner. Strong move back down though. And here's ES trying to come back down as well. Morning, Ace. How are you doing today? Yes, it is. Happy first day of winter. And I say that with a winter storm barreling down on my area. Yeah, as long as the power doesn't go out. If the power goes out, it's going to get really, really cold. So this did not reach 2 points on that move back up. I still feel we're gonna slowly grind down, but we'll see. Pop up. Yeah, I'll definitely sleep. Okay, so we got choppy action here that's absolutely boring. Missed an opportunity on crude. We're not gonna enter anything on the ES chop. Morning, Leonardo. How you doing? Up there we go. That would have hit 2 points. It would have been choppy, but up, down, up. Got 2 points. How about that? Just hanging here. We want to thank everyone for joining me this morning as we head toward the top of the 9 o'clock hour. If you haven't done so already, appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm so we can continue to grow. Oh, another bounce up there on crude. So you see here, my strategy would to take any of the longs here when the color changes, and again, this would have worked. It just looks ugly, but it's working. As ES heads back up to that 82 area. Let's see if they can break through that wall. All in all, it's just another candle breaking through a wall. They all be white. Pulling back here again, it cannot break through that 38.82. Sleigh bells in the... Pushing up here. Alright guys, if anyone's interested in listening to a little Christmas music, our friend Burl Investments, John Burl, he has a band. He's actually recorded a couple of Christmas songs. I'm putting the link here in the chat if anyone's interested in checking that out. He hasn't stopped in yet this morning, but it doesn't matter. There's a plug to his music. Listen to both of his Christmas songs. They're pretty good. Ooh, big verse. Hey, it just knocked down that wall. And the wall comes tumbling down in the wall. 38.84 and up. Taking the short. Good morning, John. Trying G-Man's strategy here. I'm not sure. He would have got in earlier than I did, though. Crude's popping up. Well, making money in the middle of the night. Nothing wrong with that. At least you did something productive with your time. Try to see if this wants to push down for me. I have a 1 point stop on it. Consolidating. Crude grinding up slowly. Crude's market opens in 4 minutes. We're up 2 ticks on this trade. Woohoo. Yep. pushing back down. Hanging around that 38, 82, 83 wall that we broke through, but came right back down into. There we go. There we go. I'm out. Excellent. That was a 7-tick trade. Obviously not huge, but hey, it was a winner, and it was based on G-Man's strategy. And it could have got more, but I chickened out, obviously. But even so, it was a winner. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So G-Man's strategy is, from what I'm learning from him, it's a reversal type of trade. He looks for a spike in volume. You can see this spike in volume here on this move up, and then he takes the opposite way. So now he would have gotten a little higher, I'm sure. He trades off a 30-second candle. So, but that was the move, take the reversal trade and take it down. He looks for 5 points. I go for 2. But nice. Now look here, it's actually working to the opposite side here. Spike here and popping back up. We're having a little blip internet again, a little internet blip. It seems to happen every day at 9 o'clock. So you might need to hit that live button. There's the top of the hour. Hit the live button to continue to get the live broadcast until this my internet settles. I don't think he does, but I don't know. I can't say that for sure. You can see here's another place where he probably would have taken a long. You see the spike in spike in volume there, and then up. As we're pulling back down. I just need to get the guts to start staying in trades and get away from micros again because nothing's adding up right now. But you can see it continuing to push down. It's kind of hitting a wall here at 879. Oh, there we go. Breakthrough. Continue to watch and wait. Top video. What did crude do? We were focusing on ES. Oh, look at those wicks. Crude opened, popped up, and now crashing back down. Oh, we're swirling again. Deck the halls, but it's not like Christmas at all. Sorry, I got Christmas music playing in my headphones. BS continues to grind down. Crude's trying to be indecisive there. Oh, there's ES down to 38.78. Little bounce. Oh, crude just broke there. Right back up. "25 minutes until the bell." The ES coming back down. It's tickling its 100 EMA there. Taking a short on crude here. Try and give it some room to work. Yep, and we got ES also trying to send me a signal. See ES sitting right there on its 100 EMA. We're in a crude trade over here watching it, see if it wants to continue to break down for us. Got a 15 tick stop on that. Well, ES sits right on its 100 EMA. Oh, crude just spiked back up. getting beaten right back down. Both are spiking down now. Try to see if I have a target on this. Yeah, I do. Target on crude 77.55. But it's popping back up here. It's like home for the holidays. See, crude seems to be stuck at the 77.65 area. And there's that 38.75 that Mr. G mentioned on the S. Crude hanging here at 77.69. Making me question my life decisions about whether or not to get out here or if it's going to continue dropping. We are 20 minutes to the bell. Yep, I guess I should have got out. Back to my entry. And you see ES also popping right back up. Tightening, I stop. Yeah, this is going to knock me out. So went from a winning trade to a losing trade. Let's see if it gets knocked back down. Yep, stopped out. So nice winning trade there. That turned into a loser. Time of the year.
Bah! Humbug!
Majid Eskander, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Wow, that just totally reversed there on crude. So, great reversal there on crude. Guess I should have got out after that second green candle. Yes, popping back up as well. So we're approaching the bell, about 16 minutes away. Wow, look at this Ultra Bond. It just took off. Now let's look at it real quick. Based on my strategy here. First of all, that would have been the original entry. And if I was trading Ultra Bond, I'd probably go for 6 to 8 ticks. Let's say 7. A Speed Racer. Okay, Jay. Haven't seen you around in a while. How are things going? This would have been another entry. 7 ticks there. I hate this. Yeah, I hate how clear this looks here now. 7 there. So three definite entries on that way up, and you can see here. This is the 5-minute chart. This is where we were. This is the high of the day when we started the stream. Whoosh. ES up, down. Excuse me. Pulling down. Hanging here at 38.75. How you been doing, Jay? You get break for the holidays, Jay? Back down here on ES. Touching its 200 EMA quite inappropriately. Oh, fun. So, still grindy, but there's been opportunities. Just kind of hanging here. Definitely slowed down. Spike there in crude. Popping up in crude. So this up, down, up move, this would have been, you know, right here would have technically been a trigger candle. And it went 12 tick, full back. Now going back up. Probably going to stay flat down till the bell. How's everyone else doing today? Everybody got their decorating done, cookies baked, shopping done? For those of you that are fans of TradingView, you can now, on the replay mode, you can now actually trade. You can actually trade, you know, you can do a sim trading on replay mode. That's kind of interesting. Right, full. uh, you'll find out when the credit card bill comes in. I got my tree decorated finally last night. ES trying to pop back up here. 8 minutes before the bell. Big move down on copper there. You see the ultra bonds move up. Natural gas blowing up there. My tree is like 90% Phillies ornaments. There's ES popping up. So it did not go 2 points off of that one. Nice move up. See if it goes 2 points. Yeah, that makes sense. I'm not planning on them buying a car. No, Mike Schmidt, but a whole bunch of others. I didn't realize I had so many, but I have like 100 different Phillies ornaments. Good morning, Crypticon. You're late. And pulling right back down, so we're choppy here, not getting either direction as we head into the bell. 5 minutes. Chase Utley, who's Mike Utley, his brother? No kidding. I don't have any players. I did recently see a Mike Schmidt ornament, but it's kind of expensive. Here. There's my Christmas tree. Bunch of Phillies ornaments on it. Shelf next to it with more Phillies stuff. It's 4.5 foot tree, not a huge tree, but came out looking pretty nice. At least I think. And then there it is, all lit up. Yes, pull back again, so we're up and down right now. Yep. There are a couple ornaments on there that aren't Phillies. There's an Optimus Prime on there. There's an ornament that's from my a series from Easton, PA, where I was born. And a couple other ones. Excuse me. Back. 3 minutes until the bell. 2 minutes till the bell. Each year I add a few more ornaments. They used to, like Fanatics used to have a whole bunch of Phillies ornaments, and now they don't have like anything. So I've been adding a couple each year. Eventually, I hope to be at a place where I can do a big tree again, where it's not just Phillies ornaments. I used to like go all out with decorating. I kind of can't do that anymore. Let's see if we go up or down here. Popping back up right here before the bell. We have 45 seconds. Excuse me. Thank you. Ooh, big move down here right before the bell. Ding, 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 silver bells. Pushing down. 225, 2.25. There we go. Down, down. Gonna break that 200 EMA. Not yet. Crude pulling back a little. Indecisive, back to green. Back to nothing. And Q doing the same kind of moves. Hanging right on these EMAs. Crew just popped. And down. Now we're back down again. But still can't get through that 200 EMA. A 4-point candle right here, strong candle down. Now we're starting to see some momentum to the downside. Popping up. Nope, it's trying to. 38.73 we're at right now. So opening 5-minute candle, you see it's down 4 points. Watching. One down, 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 up, up, up. Can't decide. Still a minute and 20 seconds on this opening 5-minute candle, and it's really indecisive. Down into those bands. Those bands are trying to curl down. There we go. There's a little burst. Still struggling there, though. It's bursted there a couple of times and then popped back up. Crude oil bursting down. Bet bouncing off its 100. Good morning, Verl. Yeah, you definitely overslept. I've already promoted your Christmas music earlier. Did you miss work? Like oversleep and miss work? So that opening 5-minute candle down 5 points on the ES. Back to our 1. So you see a grind down. Look at those top tailing wicks. Oopsie. Another move down there in all. ES trying to bounce. A script writer. If you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. Very, don't like this price action at all right now. Don't like it at all. Pull one down. Good morning, RJ. I'm sorry to hear that, Joshua. Sorry, we do have news at the top of the hour. Nice pop up here. Wow, ES coming back up to its EMAs. Ouch, bro. Yeah, I mean, I think next year I'm going to turn the algos off for the month of December. Pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. See the snowman. So we got down to a low of 38.70 on that move there, and now it's popped back up almost 10 points. Meanwhile, there's crude coming back down. How wide of a stop did you give that, JC? And here we come back down with ES. All right, good luck there. Took a short here on ES. Crude pushing down. I want to see crude go up for JCM when I see ES go down for me. There we go. Get the nice move down on ES. Yep, back up. Wouch. Whippy. There we go. Oh, bouncing again on for me. Come on, push down. Ah, don't want to see green. No, no green. I want to see green on oil. See that push up for JC. Are you kidding me? Get back down there. Wow. Okay. So I'm down 66 on the day. This account is $212 from being blown. Didn't take the profit because it didn't even go 2 frickin' points.
Bah! Humbug!
Back right back up. Yeah, I knew that, Crypticon. So I got in at 38.73. It got down to 31. I'm sorry, 38.71.75. So it did go 2 points, but no more. Wicked up. Now look at it coming back down. Popping up again. So gonna stay out now until after news probably. Tracy. And ES back up to 38.81. So, boom. That was a nice down, up move, I guess. Sorry about that, JC. Meanwhile, ES pushing up. Remember, high was 38.84. It's at 38.82. Strong move. So, I could have got back it here. This would have been a trigger candle. But after all that chop and already taking a loss, I didn't. But that would have obviously been the winner. Crude's very choppy. That beautiful move there on NQ. Same with ES. Oh, NQ. For some reason that looks, I don't know, different. Copper choppy. Chopper. Natural gas continuing to move down. Ultra Bond's pulling back here some. Finally. Quite the move there on the Ultra Bond. See that here. Hit a high there of 140.02, but is pulled back by about 10 to 12 ticks. Ultra Bond makes me do math with their 32s. Pushing up. Nice. Just, yeah, that 32s can sometimes throw you off because, like, 140.02 to 120, and then you got to think on 140, if it's just around the change, but if it's like 140.11 to 130.22, it's like, how many ticks is that? Yes, trying to get up to the high here, 38.84. Choppy at this level, pulling back. If CL's just playing there. Not a fun looking chart. Yep, it tried there, got within a couple of ticks. And pulling back down. So, kind of double topping and back. Excuse me 1 second. The breakdown now. So it failed to get above there, double topped and down. We are 5 minutes till news. Crude oil pulling back again, but then bouncing. Bouncing baby crude oil. And again, ES bounced off the 200. Now, when I say it bounces off the 200, it doesn't necessarily mean it's because the 200's there or anything like that. It's just a point of reference. Do I think that these things just, bounce off every moving average or whatever? No, most of the time it's probably coincidence, but it's just a point of reference, and that's why I say it. Yep, nearing our news. Last bit of news of the day. Well, besides crude oil inventories. Uh, oh yeah, that's why crude's being so choppy today. I forgot about inventories. And pushing down there. Yes. This wick down, got the 71, 75. Over here we got the 70, 75. See if we continue to drop. Let's see what consumer confidence does in about a minute and a half. I'm not confident in consumer confidence. It's not just consumer confidence, it's also housing starts or housing existing home sales. That's it. Let's see what it does here. Oh, quick move up, then a quick move down, then quick move back up. It's indecisive. Yeah, very choppy, Jay. And there we go. There's, well, seems like the algos are undecided what it wants to do. Let's see. U.S. existing home sales 4.09 million. Expected was 4.2 million, so that's a miss. U.S. CB consumer confidence 108.3. Expected was 101, so that seems to be a huge beat. Getting a 5 points up here on ES and Q. Popped up only 10. Algos are a little undecided which way it likes this information. Great job, Crypticon. Still rising up. Is it going to take another shot at that 84? It's trying. It's trying. It's failing. It's failing. Oh, here it goes again. I think it can. 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 There, just hit 38.85. Just trying to push up higher. There we go. 38.86. Market finally decided it likes those numbers. Trying to decide if it wants to continue up here. Crude's probably going to stay choppy now until inventories here in about 25 minutes. Dump there on crude, pulling back there on ES as well. Big move down there on crude, try to get through that 200 EMA. The pullback there, so 38.86.5 was the high on ES. It's pulled back by 5. G-Man always says it'll give you 5. I'm not sure where G-Man disappeared to today. He didn't like the pre-market and CFT just put out a video on that new UProfit account. UProfit has announced an account with a static drawdown. $5,000 loss limit, $5,000 profit target, $2,500 daily loss limit. But it's a hefty price at $350. Here's CFT's video. That's it. If anyone wants to buy me a Christmas gift. Joking. Yeah, I mean it's the price is hefty, but that's a great. I mean that's a great account. Static drawdown is awesome. No end of day, no trailing. It's just a static drawdown. Which is how it should be, in my opinion. And if I could afford, if I could afford it, I actually would go for it. But alas, I cannot. But I've always said a bigger drawdown is what I need to be able to do more confidence and actually take a little bit wider stops, which probably would help me, as much as I hate to admit that. And, if Jason's watching. Hello, Naomi. Nice to see you as well. The ES now up to a high of 38.89.75. Oil dropping. Dropping like a rock. Dropping like a rock. Oil's inventories in about 21 minutes. Yeah, I was surprised that consumer confidence is as good as it is. Yeah, this is a strong candle, and then key is the hourly candle, 58 points. You see high day. It's above yesterday's highs and digging into Monday. Yeah, I felt like we were going to go short today too, Naomi, but maybe this is that Santa Claus rally that they always want to talk about. Nice, JC. Christmas gift for yourself? Nice. G. Good job on that. My entire problem is my mental game. 100%. 122%. Up to 38.92. Strong move. See this up, down, up, down, up. Up, down, up, down, up. If I've been following my strategy, I should have taken the long there, and I didn't. Well, it was news, but I still should have taken it. Wait, this hit 92's pull back by about 3 points on ES. Loper, if what? Yep. Good call there, Naomi, about the pullback. Little bounce. What size stop do you run, Naomi? Or, I mean, do you just set it at the recent high, or what's your stop strategy, I guess is what I'm saying. Are trying to spit out. All right. I agree, Burl. Like, yep. Like I said, if I had the money, I would definitely jump at that, but I do not. All right. Current bar high. Let me look at that. Okay, see. Watching here. About 15 minutes to crude inventories. Checking agriculture. Looks like agriculture headed up at the open. Excuse me one second. back. ES is just kind of hanging here, trying to decide what it wants to do. Fang stocks rejecting highs a day. Oh my, yeah, Microsoft is a Fang, right? Yeah, whatever. Crude again, just eh. It's the best way to do it, Naomi. Big move down there on crude, 12 ticks. Just still hanging here. ES is just sideways. And Q, the same, of course. Ooh, lean hogs took off today. Can pigs fly? Well, today they are. There's a pull down on ES. Got down to 38.87 there. Bounced right back up. Crude bouncing back up as well. Yeah, it's probably a good idea, John. I mean, at each day we're going to be dropping volume. Hammer candle down. Oh yeah, don't you hate it when that trade it gets a profit for like 10 seconds and it gets your hopes up. You're like all excited and oh crap. Mr. G says he posted a video today on his YouTube about hogs, cattle, corn, and a whole bunch of other stuff. His channel is called Winning Wall Street's Money. And there's the link. Still hanging around 38.90 here on ES. 10 minutes from crude inventories. Yeah. Ah, sorry, Naomi. Yeah, that little spike up there. I see that. Although, not now. Now it's even rising higher. Relentless today. Just continues. Wants to continue to head up. Great job, Mr. G. Yeah, John, maybe, this whole volume thing is maybe why Top Step doesn't want people trading these times, although I'm not sure that the rule's still in effect. All right, sounds like a good plan, Naomi. Kind of watching here. Crude, we're watching crude, 7 minutes to its inventories. See what it does there. There's that 5-minute chart that Naomi was talking about on ES. Excellent, G. Sounds like a nice green day for you. All right, G. Have yourself a great day. See you back here tomorrow. I heard a rumor that Santa Ox might be here tomorrow. But he won't be having any gifts because Santa Ox can't afford to buy gifts. Wonder where Ace disappeared to today. He never even said he got his 2 points. I'll check. That's correct, Hassan. Even unfunded, even if you have like $100,000 profit, you have a daily loss limit. It never goes away. Yeah, I agree with that, Hassan. I mean, yeah, I really do like that. Like that account. I mean, always having a daily loss limit kind of sucks, but it's probably actually. I mean, it does, give a good risk management. Yep, sorry, no alcohol either, Jay. Oh, you didn't mean that. Still hanging around this 38.91 area. Crude oil inventory is in about 3.5 minutes. uh, you caught that joke, John. Good job. Uh, Continuing to try and grind up here on the ES. Grindy, grindy, grindy. Just watching and waiting. Crude pulling back. Just grinding up, trying to get up to 38.94. Will we return to 3,900? Or will we see a reversal, the classic 1030 reversal? There's another little burst up. 38.95. Definitely a lot of strength here. I did not expect this strength today, honestly. But, so I try not to have a bias. 38.94. See what crude oil inventories. We got a crude chart there on the right hand side of the screen. ES on the left. About a half an hour left in our stream here today. $39.93. Wait, $39.93. Whoa, there, look at crude oil inventories. Boom. Okay, yeah, I was getting confused there. Like, I did a double take, and I'm like, wait a minute, is that a typo, or were you expecting a huge rally? So crude popped up there, 56 ticks, but immediately pulling back. Still up 35 ticks. Let's look at the numbers. Crude oil inventories actual negative 5.895. Forecast was positive 2.5. That was a pretty huge miss. Still rising up here. Pulling back here though. Okay, I've actually posted. Wait, you mean CFT, Canadian Futures Trader, or do you mean Mr. G's winning Wall Street's money? CFT posted the video about you profit. Mr. G winning Wall Street's money, yeah. So I have a line up here. I have no idea why it's up here, but it's up here. 38.99. It's a remnant from days ago. It has to be. Let me look. Oh, so you can see we're rising up here. Look at this. This is from Monday. We hit 38.99 three different times on three different hourly candles and rejected down. So that's an interesting level right there. As we get up to it, we just broke 3,900. Let's see if it holds. There was the break of 39. I long time from what I understand, JC. I'm not sure exactly how long, but he's been in the game quite a while. Crude oil, big dump back down, gave back that whole candle. Meanwhile, ES up to 39.03. Wow, get crude. So crude's giving back that entire huge candle and heading down. I should have taken that short. It's always. Sorry, my mind just froze. Scary to take a short like that, but that was a definite good short setup. Look at that wick on the 5 minute. Wow. Meanwhile, 39.04 is our new high on ES. And Q has gotten back up to 11,327. I guess we can get rid of that line. Gone. Hesitating here, taking a breath at 39.03. Still rising. Rising up. And there's another bounce on crude. Up. Remember, we will be back here tomorrow, 7:30 Eastern Time. Possible visit from Santa Ox. And then Friday, we'll be here as well. Volumes will probably be light, but we do have news both days, so there should be some excitement in the market. I did too, and I mean, it has not been as boring as I thought it would be. Yeah, exactly. Now, next week could be really boring. Yep, we're struggling to get above this level here. We're sideways here in the last few minutes. 39.04.5 is the high. We actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 green candles in a row, though a couple of these were kind of break-even candles, but still, no red candles in this move up. Oh yeah, look at that move. The back up 40 ticks. And there's ES continuing to rise up as well. Look at this. This is a beautiful, this would have been a beautiful entry on crude. So the short entry would have been beautiful, and then the long entry. Meanwhile, ES is just going wild. ES the Mania is going to go wild on you. 39.0750. Dow, yeah, oh yeah, good Dow rising. About 250 points in this bounce back here. ES 39.08. Yes, it was, Jay. Yes, it was. So, big impulse candle there at 4 points, pulling back a little bit here. Actually, you know what? Damn. I should have taken this short. This is one of Mr. G's setups. You see how the volume on that candle was way higher than anything recent? Let's see if this works. He would have went in probably right around 39.07 ish, and he would have took it short looking for 5 points. Still don't know where he disappeared to today. But that one, unless I was missing something, that one would have been wrong. You take your long on a trade, Hassan, or you're just thinking that's where it's gonna go? Crude oil trying to make it back to the top of that wick. Wow, there's 39.09. Yeah, I meant G-Man. G-Man, I didn't mean Mr. G. I get those G's mixed up. I meant G-Man. We have a G-Man and a Mr. G, and I sometimes confuse the two. Hello, Trader Bo. Thank you for that info. Something tells me they're going to keep it around in some form after that, though, or that this is some sort of test to see how much interest there is in it. I could be wrong. Geez, what's wrong, John? Oh yeah, Trey. I remember you did mentioning that. And yep, very good point, RJ. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see whether or not they decide to make it a permanent thing at some point, or if it's just like they'll run it here and there. Yeah, you're right. Ow! I just banged my elbow on my desk. Ouch! 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 Yeah. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Good one, John. Yeah, that volume spike trade there with not a war. Well, I mean, there was a little pullback, but yeah. There was another one, and that one's 39.09, 39.07. We're starting to see, we're finally starting to see some red candles here. This one's working a little bit better. Yeah, it took me a minute there, John. Sounds like a good plan, Naomi. Tesla continues to just drop, and there's oil dropping again.
Still not showing much weakness here. We hit 39.10. Nice, Naomi. I admit I don't know anything about options, so I guess my question is, because I'm going to sound very dumb, what does Tesla need to get down to, or
For those puts to work, or doesn't it matter at this point if people just keep selling the options? Tesla at 138.67. Quite the fall in Tesla. Now here we go. Now we're starting to see. So this is pulled back by about 4 points. This would have been a win for G. Man. Eh. Hassan, again, I don't, follow this stuff too regularly, but I think you'll see Tesla start going back up once if Elon names somebody else CEO of Twitter. So that would have probably been a win there for Mr. G. He would have got his 5 points. Yeah, Tesla's been was overvalued, but for a long time I felt like Elon Musk could do no wrong, and then he bought Twitter. Nice, RJ. Good profit, I assume. Yeah, there's the pullback. We're finally seeing a move down here, back down to 39.04. I don't know. I'm trying it out. I mean, I'm watching for it basically. I nailed the trade on it earlier, John, but um, he uses really tight stops. He gets out the point or less, and then gets back in if it goes back his way. So I'm trying. I'm trying to at least um, see where they occur and figure it out. Great job, RJ. You have yourself a great day. We'll see you tomorrow. We have about 10 minutes left here on our stream. A little bounce there, though. Oh, green bounce here. Pulling. Popping up. On crude again.
I think I'm going to chart out this crude chart. You know, after the stream's done, I'm going to be very upset with myself. Eventually, I'm going to get this. Eventually. Leveling out here around 39.06. Really believe we're going to start coming down here, but yep. History. Let's grind it down. Nice. Very nice, Naomi. Do you have a profit target in mind on that, Naomi, or just letting it play out? All right. Just hesitating here, 39.05. Taking a short here, and I'm moving my stop. I took one contract off, so I'm gonna give it a wide stop right there. So 5-point stop on 2 micro contracts. Let's see what we get here. Nice, Naomi. Ah, you know, I took a short there. I thought it actually broke and it didn't. I'm gonna get stomped here. Yeah, this was a mistake. I thought I had a break there and I didn't. It misread it. Strongest can. Yeah, I get in and didn't get to see the strongest candle yet. The first time I actually try a really wide stop, and it's gonna come for that very wide stop. So that was a it hasn't hit me yet. Be really nice if this broke down here. Very, very nice. See you tomorrow, John. Good luck to your son. See if this comes back down. It got within one tick of my stop there. We'll hang here. We have 3 more minutes on the stream, but we'll hang here until this trade is finished. If it's not finished, but I think it's going to finish me here in a minute. Yep, there we go. Stopped out. Wow. So the one time I used the wide stop and I get killed.
Bah! Humbug!
Back up. So back up to the 39.10. I just totally misread that. I mean, I got a bias in my head that we were gonna go down, and I didn't even wait for the break of the. I thought the EMA turned for me, but it didn't. That was just. I should have got out right away once I saw that. But I had that short bias in my head, and then I stayed in way too long. It might be a double top. We'll see. Up to 39.11. That hourly candle there on NQ up 124 points. There's 39.12. Tesla's really not joining in on this rally. 39.13. Hassan might win call of the day here. We'll hang here for a couple more minutes. $39.14. Yeah, I tend to agree with that, Naomi. I do, but I kind of was saying the same thing about ES about half an hour ago, and here it is. But I do agree with you. I'm thinking at some point we're going to see this come crashing down. Well, stream should be over now, but we'll hang in here for just a few more minutes. 39.14. Little pause here. That's a little pause, not little pause. There's no little animals running on the chart. Got a red candle there on the 1 minute. But still trying here. Hassan, even if this is as high as it gets, it was still a great call. 39.15 now. 39.15 and a half. Hassan, what made you pick 39.20? What was your thought process coming up with that level? Back down to 39.14. First decent sized pullback. It's really not that big of a pullback. About a point and a half. Oh, good. Burrow, glad to hear that. Yep, there's the first bullish engulfing candle we've seen if it closes like this. Whoa, look at crude dump. Crude just dumped huge. Or fall. See crude. Wonder if there's some sort of news. Everything just kind of went red. Not that I see. There was a bearish engulfing there on the S. And Q pulled back. Wow, look at the fall in the altar bond there too. I missed that. Copper's falling. Yep. So here we see a fall. 15 down to 12. All right. I'm just always curious, you know, what makes people decide on a level of low. Look at that breakdown on crude. Crude just fell 50 ticks in 4 minutes. Have a great day, JC. We'll see you tomorrow. Nice, bro. Oh, there's another pop-up green. Well, Burl say hopefully it keeps going, and all of a sudden it pops green. If you haven't hit that like button, I would appreciate it if you do, but no pressure. I definitely appreciate all the likes. Helps that YouTube algorithm. So we're extending stream today. No, I didn't plan on an extended stream today. Yep, I just did. I see that, Hassan. Thank you for sharing that. The new ETF sale is out. Their day 10 of savings is all fast track evaluations are 50% off. Wow. Holy crap, Hassan. 39.17 and a half. So Hassan, you definitely get the call of the day, even if it doesn't hit 39.20. Not that we actually ever give out a call of the day. Full time of the year. A couple red candles now. Well, maybe not. Let's see. This is. I shouldn't say this would have been one of G-Man. I don't know whether or not that candle would have been a G-Man or not. I can't say that for sure. I shouldn't say definite, but to me, that's what it looks like. That would be one there, which means he would have taken around 16 and playing for 11. And it seems to be pulling back now. Yep, there's the pullback. Okay, guys, I think we're gonna call it here. This is a nice pullback. This would have worked for if that would have been one of G-Man's or not. I don't know for sure. I'll ask him when I see him again. You can see it's pulled back by about 5 points. So we're gonna call it here. We'll continue to watch to see. We'll check in tomorrow to see if we did hit 39.20 or not. Hey, Kim. Good to see you. See you tomorrow. Naomi, thank you for joining us today. If you can stop in tomorrow and let us know how your Tesla options ended up, I'd love to hear about it. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we shall talk to you tomorrow, 7:30 Eastern. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.